Hello YouTubers, this is a Samsung tablet 2.7 that is not recharging. As you can see on the screen, it is flicking on and off. It is not doing a full cycle before it turns off. Let me show you a couple of minutes what it does. And this will also works with the tablets that do not turn on at all. There are many people on eBay selling them because of this problem. So if you've got this problem, it's not powering up. So what you need to do is disconnect the charger on it, remove the back cover, and simply just remove all the contacts here. Do the tool if you want, or just do it with your hand. And just be careful, don't get electrocuted or anything. Keep safe at all times. And this works for me. This should work for you as well. So as you can see, everything is disconnected here. This one here. What you don't disconnect is the battery itself. So some people on YouTube are saying disconnect this and reconnect this all works, but that didn't work for me. So I decided to leave this on and disconnect everything else, and I left it for half an hour and it turned back on. So what you need to do is get the mains power, click it in, once this is on you can get a multimeter, one of these, and check the charge on it if it's coming through. I'll show you. It'll be under 4. I'll just put this on for temporary, the back cover, because you will need to reconnect everything to the back before you want to use it, because now the screen is not going to come on at all. Okay, and then give it half an hour at least. But for this video I'm going to show you quickly. It does work. So we'll undo this and put it back in again and see what happens. See that? Boom, it's ready, charging now, and you should do the same thing. I'll be working like that good. And do not turn it on, because it'll just turn off. Let it charge for a full half an hour and then you'll be ready. and don't let the charge drop again when you're using it, because you'll have to open it up again, and consider buying a new battery. And when you buy a new battery, do the same thing and it should work. I bought a tablet of some guy on eBay. He said he's bought a new battery and nothing's happened, and he's sold me it, and I've done well on it. So everything's back on. Put the cover back on. That's from the camera. Should be down there. So when this is on, flip everything out. It's not easy with one hand, as you can see. I'm going to leave it as that. This is the end of this video. I'll press a button for you just to see if it is charging. As you can see, it's still charging. It's doing good. I'm not going to turn it on, so leave it charge as normal and be happy days. Thank you, and please like and share this video.